Hey everybody, welcome back. To those of you that haven't been to the channel before, Fire and Froth is about beer. It's also about food, and occasionally we're about reviewing products. We promise no skunky beer, no crappy recipes, and no junk products. If they're junky, we're not going to review them. So today we're going to do an unboxing video. For a while now, I've been brewing using a SS Brewtech 7-gallon Unitank, and the thing has been awesome. I've been super happy with it. I've brewed some great beers, and I decided it was time to step it up a notch and get a 14-gallon fermenter to go with my 7-gallon fermenter. And so I got another 14-gallon Unitank, and today we're going to show that video of us unboxing it. So be sure to like our channel if you've never been here before. If you like our content, subscribe. Be sure to hit the the notification button. That way you get a ding or a notification every time we put out another brewing, cooking, or reviewing video. And share us with your friends. You know, if I'm sure they'll like it. If you like it, then I'm sure they'll dig it. So we're gonna unbox this baby, and we'll show you how it goes. All right, sit back. I knew I was forgetting something. I did the same thing when I put together my 7-gallon one. I forgot to put the heating pad on before I started assembling everything. So don't screw that up. Just adds a little extra time to the operation, but no big deal. So we're not quite ready to brew right now. There are a couple more things that we've got to do in order to get this thing ready to brew, and we'll show it in a future episode. It's basically, you've got to wash it. You got to wash the inside. I use trisodium phosphate, TSP, and hot water. And what that'll do is help get all the, any oils or any residue that's left in it from machining. And then once you're done with that, you'll clean it out. And I use this stuff, it's called acid cleaner number 5. I'll run that through, and what it does is it pacifies the metal and gets it ready for brewing. Let that, run it through, let it air dry, and before brew day, what I'll do is just run some low foam sanitizer. Let's see, SaniClean or this IO Star sanitizer works real well. Doesn't foam up a lot. Just whatever you do, don't try to run Star San through your fermenter, because it will, if you're using a pump, and you're using a CIP ball, it'll foam all over the place. It'll be a mess, and it'll be hard to get all that foam out. So anyway, that's how we do it. And hope you enjoyed this. Be sure to share it with your friends. Subscribe. Comment down below. Let us know if there's any particular video that you'd like to see us doing. And let me know if you've got one of these Unitanks, and what your favorite brewing recipe is. So until next time, what are you doing for beer and barbecue today? See ya.